Ni Arutwo kuma universities mwanya aria maracemanitie mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi gutugiria ona kuhunjia mawega maria thirikari ya Jubilee ĩkĩire ya Kenya. Na arĩa thikũ 13 itigaire bũrũri ũnyite itemi gĩthurano-inĩ kĩnene, mũthabara wa Tolezea na Uhuruto magitongorio ni wa Nyuto na Zakari Kinuthia maracokia ngumo ĩno na muciĩ kuona marĩ arutwo thukuru-inĩ wa University ya Nairobi.
We are going to have elections and we want to tell NASA they have lost the battle to the people, they have lost the battle in the courts, and they are going to lose the battle to themselves.
Uhuru ana promise comrades help, ana increase help by 15 billion. Huyu mwingine anatu promise changa. Mnataka changa ama maendeleo?
Guku maroya kamweke kau guithirania manifesto ya Jubilee iria maugite noyo iratangikira mathina ma Kenya hatari na muthutukanio.
Come 8th of August, tokelezeni nyote bana. Hii kiti ziende mahali. Hii kiti ni ya Jubilee na Jubilee imefanya kazi.
No iguru ria mothe ni maroririe mbeu njithi matikae kugwa mutego-ini wa kuhuthirwo ta ndaraca ya kuringia ateti aria mari na njama ya kwiguna o kiumbe na njira ya gucugira ngui.
That on 8th August 2017.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndungu.
Wake up early and vote comrade number